If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more upcoming easy yet budget-friendly recipes. Please don't judge the video quality because meani the video sirf ek hafse banai hi. For simple tadka rice we will take an onion, green chilies, ginger slice, frozen peas. Do not throw ginger peels, you can use it for Indian chai. Pyaaz ko long slice crane, cut potato in medium-sized slices. Chop ginger and green chili. Pan me oil, add crane, zira dali. Let it crackle, then add chopped ginger and chilies and roast it. Now add onion slice and roast it for 2 minutes, then add aaloo and let it stir fry until it starts getting translucent from edges. Just then add peas, mix them well and stir fry for few minutes. Then add salt, black pepper powder, and little bit red chili powder for spiciness. Then add washed rice into the mixture. I have taken 1 bowl rice, so I will add 3 bowls of water. For 8. Say mix crane and cover it for 15 minutes on medium to slow flames. Here's you go, your easy, budget-friendly and healthy tadka rice are ready. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.